Okay, before going to, am I audible, guys? Hello, am I audible? I hope I'm audible. Okay. Okay, today we will discuss about grid system. It's a very important concept in bootstrap. Before you're getting to know the concept of grid, first you should understand what is container. Are you getting? First you should understand what is container and what is break points. See here, can you able to see the one table like extra small, small, medium, large, X large, XX large? See here. Yeah, see here. See this one. See this image. Extra small means it is a what you are using a small phone. Olden days where, for example, Apple 6, Apple 5 and all, the screen size is very small. For that screen also, the website has to visible according to how you have developed. Hey, are you getting that one? That is nothing but a extra small devices. After that, that phone becomes vertical. It is a horizontal. If it is coming vertical means that is the small device. Clearly understand. After that, you will get to know. Slowly, you will get to know. Don't worry. If it is coming vertical means landscape means that is the small device. If you are turning the phone in a landscape, the website will appear. Are you getting? It will display according to your screen size. After that, we have a medium size device, that is nothing but our tablet and etc. And also another device, we have a large device. It comes under the laptops, whatever the screen size we have, right? That is the large device. That is the laptop and our desktop. As usual for working the desktop we have, right? That is the large device. We have another device called extra large. Okay, that is the extra large. It has a, for example, more than a desktop large screen we have, right? More than that screen it has means that is the extra large device. See, we have to create a website for every each and every devices in a one web page. For olden days, before coming to grid system, for each and everything you need to create a website. After coming to play in say grid system, one place you can able to arrange the according to your screen size. That is the work of the grid system. Is that clear, guys? Now come to our this table. See, extra small means if you are giving minimum below 570 pixel means it is considered as a extra small. Is that clear? It is considered as a extra small. See here, if you are giving container hyphen sm means small, md means medium. Clearly understand. md means medium and large. LG means large, XL means extra large, XXL means that is a more than a extra. See here, extra large device, more than a device it has a screen size means that is the extra large. Is that clear, this one? And if you are giving container fluid means, if you are giving a container fluid, we will discuss how to give everything, but just understand what is sm. That word just keep it in your mind. Sm means small device. For the small device, just if you're giving the container means according to your small device, according to your device, it the point will be broken. First just understand. And if you're giving a small device, medium device and a large device, extra large and xx large. And if you're giving the container fluid means it takes the 100 percentage width. Now come to the extra small, small, medium and large and x large. See, if you're giving the container for the extra small, that means for this device, horizontal device, it takes it takes the width as the 100%. Are you getting? See, 100% in the sense here. For example, I'm creating a one demo demo3.html, and I'm creating one boilerplate. Here I'm giving a one h1 tag hello, saving and running the program. See here, I'm inspecting. See, I see the cursor. I'm after the elements beside there is a one option called toggle device toolbar. Okay, if you click on that, it will become as a like your phone device, how it is coming, right? Like that it will come. See, if I shrink the size of the width, shrink the size, you can able to shrink and you can able to large as much as possible. Now see here, I'm click on that hello. See, it is taking the full width. Clearly understand. It takes the full width. Hello is taking the full width of your screen. Is that clear? See here, come to this one. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 576 ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 856, if you shrink below 5, see here, this is the width according to your, according to the direction it is changing the width. Are you getting? Now our work, what it is telling means, if extra small means below 76 pixel, if it is there means it takes the 100 percentage width. Are you clear guys? Below 76 pixel, if it is coming means, consider it is the mobile. Wait, it is the mobile. If the mobile becomes very small, this much, it is the below 756, less than a 756 screen size, if it is there means it takes the entire width. Are you clear? It takes the entire width. Is that clear guys? Now I have not given the bootstrap everything, just I'm explaining with using the h1. If I give link bootstrap and wait, we will give the bootstrap also, that time you will understand. I'm copying the link, I'm copying the link and putting inside my head tag, and again script tag also I'm copying and pasting after the body, pasting. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ confused first starting, you may find it difficult. Later on while doing the programs, projects, you will get to know, don't worry. Okay, but timing, understand how it works. Saving. See now, if you see the output, okay. Okay. Okay, if you are giving container, inside the container if you are giving means, say container, how to give h1, after that you have to give class is equal to container. If it is, if you are giving means, what happens? See here. Now, so far, just I have not given the container before. But as soon as I give the container, it takes. See, here there is a, it has not taken here. See here, see this place and a starting place and a ending place. If I keep on cursor on the H1, it is a shrink. It has given us space here. It has not taken an entire width. Is that clear? It has not taken a entire width. If I shrink that, if I shrink, see here, it is there below 576. Wait, now you will get to know what is our width. If it is coming below 576 means it takes the 100 percentage width. 576. See here, if now see here, now it takes the, it is not taking 100 percentage width. If it is there 760, sorry 7, sorry 576, it is not taking the 100 percentage width. If it is coming below 75, sorry, yeah, if it is coming means, now see here, it is taking entire width. Now clearly understand, it is taking the entire width. Is that clear, guys? Are you understanding? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Guys, how members are not understanding? How members? Hello, am I audible? Guys, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Please let me know. See, on ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ it may boring, but if you understand, you will get the grid system. See, that much only, guys. See, if it takes the only about the width, guys. First, for the small device, it takes the 100 percentage width if you are giving the container. After that, for everything, it is same. After that, if you are coming for the small device, it takes the 540 pixel only. It is not, it won't take the 100 percentage width. If it is coming for the medium, it takes the 720 pixel. After that, for the large, it takes the about 960 pixel. Then for the extra large, it takes the 1140 pixel. Is that clear? Now coming to the grid system. See, keep it in your mind, SM means small. SM means small. MD means medium. SM means small. MD means medium. LG means large. XL means extra large. XXL means extra extra large. If you are giving a container fluid means it takes the 100 percentage width for every devices. Is that clear? Now we are going to talk about the grid system. It's a very very important concept. See, whenever you use the grid system, how to write first I will tell you. First, you need create a div, create a div. After that, inside the div, create a class is equal to container. Is that clear? You have to first, you have to keep it in your mind. First, you have to create a container. Inside the container, see now I am explaining how the grid system it is there. Whenever you create a container, like a box, it will create. Like a box, it will create. After that, it has a rows and a columns. Is that clear? It has a rows and columns. Whenever you need to create the grid means always keep it in your mind in a one row. Clearly understand, in a one row, in a one row, that one row can be divided maximum 12. Is that clear? You can able to divide 12 columns. In a one row you can able to create a 12 columns. Is that clear, guys? You can able to create a 12 columns. For example, like this you can able to create a 12 columns in a one row. Maximum only 12 columns only. More than a 12 columns you cannot able to create. Is that clear? After that you need another. In this, understand here, now I'm talking about one column. In one column you can able to create a multiple rows, but in this one column, imagine, now I'm talking about this column. Now I'm creating a one column. In this column, I'm talking about this one. I'm talking about only one this. In this column, you can able to create a 12 columns. Is that clear? Like this, you can able to create a 12 columns, and you can able to create a multiple rows. N number of rows you can able to create, but in a one column, understand clearly, only maximum 12 columns only you can able to divide. Is that clear, guys? ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Guys, are you understanding or not? Okay, now first you need to create a one container. After that you need to create a row. You need to create a row. So how will you create? Same, after creating the container, dot create a row. Is that clear? This, like this you need to create. After that you need to create, for example, I'm creating on h1. I'm creating hello. Again I'm creating h1 as the hi. Now just if you give class is equal to container, class is equal to container, and for this one also class is equal to container. Just if you give class is equal to container, how it works is here. Wait, I'm giving the background for that. How to give a background, guys? How to give a background color in bootstrap? bg hyphen any color. For example, we know success, success. Success it is taking, and high also we will give the color bg hyphen. I'm giving warning. Warning means what color? Yellow color it has to come. It is coming. Now see here. If I give just I'm giving column hyphen 6. Now you know in a one row you can able to see here. This is the one row. Now what I have done, first I have created a one. Clearly understand here. First I have created a one. What I have done here, first I have created one container. One container I have created. After that I have created a one row. I have created one row. I have created one row. After that, inside that I have created a this one row you can able to divide as a 12 columns. Now what I have done, I'm dividing as a 6 6 as a two columns. Are you understanding? I'm dividing this row as a 6, and also I'm creating as the row as a 6. Is that clear? Like this I'm going to do. So how will you give first row? After that just you need to provide column. After that just if you give a 6 for this one also, column hyphen 6 hyphen 6. What happens here? It is taking, right? Yeah, see here it is taking. See, you can able to divide. See here, hello, from here to here you can able to maximum how many columns you can able to divide in a one row. You can able to divide as a one row as a 12 columns. In that columns what I have done, see, whenever you give the count here, see here, whenever you give the count 6 plus 6 12 columns, it has to come in a one row. Is that clear? In one row I have done in a 6 and plus 6 it has to come calculate as the 12 should come, total 12 has to come. However you can give, see here, you can give like as a 6. After that you can give as a 4. 8 plus 4 12. See here, 8 hollow, and it is taking 8 columns, and 4 columns it is taking as a high. Is that clear? Now you can able to divide till the 12 also. Now again I'm creating another one. You can give like this also, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. See, hello, it is taking high and high. Now by using bootstrap, see, now I'm talking about the margin and padding. How to give margin and padding in a bootstrap? Simple guys, very easiest concept only, how to give margin and padding. See, for this one I want to give margin and padding. Simple, just give the m hyphen till 1 to 5. 1 is the small, till 5 you can give. If you give 1, just m hyphen 1, what is that? It gives the some space here. Can you able to see a space? Can you able to see guys? See difference between high and hello. It is taking around 4 1 percentage of width. 1 means 4 pixel. It is taking the 4 pixel. If you are giving 2 means it takes the 8 pixel extra it takes. See here, it is taking 8 pixel. If you want to see here, go to inspect, go to your, see here, go to your box model. See here, it is taking, where do you class? See here, in this margin it is taking 8 pixel. If you are giving m1 means what is that? It takes the 4 pixel. If you are giving 5 means maximum 5 you can give guys. 1 2 3 4 5, maximum 5 only you can able to give. So it is taking, it is loading. See here, it is taking 48 pixel. Till 5 you can able to give margin. See, if you want to give only margin, if you give just m means it is taking top, bottom, left and right. You can able to modify. See here, if you are giving mt means margin top, just only it takes the margin top, only it takes the margin top. See here, it takes only margin top. Left, right and bottom, it takes the zeros only. Now if you want bottom means you can able to give the mb. Are you understanding? Are you following, guys? I'm talking about the margin top and margin. I'm talking about the margin. How to give margin in the bootstrap. Is that clear? Are you following me? Please let me know, guys. Okay. If you are giving only m means it takes top, bottom, left and right. If you are giving mt means you have to give only it takes the margin top. If you are giving mb means it takes only margin bottom. Is that clear? Now if you want to give right and left side means you should not give m r. Instead of mr you need to provide ms. What is ms means? Margin starting. M here, margin starting means it takes only margin starting. Here you can able to see the difference from high to hello. There is a one space between high and low. It has taken some margin space from the left side. If you want end means, if you want to give left side, right side means you have to give the margin end. Now see here, see it has taken margin end side, it has taken. Is that clear? Like this you can able to provide the margin top, margin left, margin right and a margin bottom. Now only see here, you need to provide right and left side only. I don't want left, bottom and top. How will you assign? This is the, you already know graph, x axis and y axis. See x axis how it works. This is the x axis, x axis and y axis means in a graph you know y axis. This is the y axis, this is the x axis. Just give m x. Is that clear? If we are giving m x axis means margin x axis, that means left side and right side. Starting and ending it takes the margin as the 2. If you are saving and seeing means you can able to see it. Margin starting it has taken, see from high to hello. There is a space it has taken and see here there is a gap. That is the margin. X means from right to left it takes. If you are giving, if you want top to bottom, bottom if you want to give the height and width means you need to provide margin y. Clearly understand? You want to give margin, if you give, if you are giving margin y means it takes the top and bottom. If you want to see here it has taken top and bottom it has taken. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? I'm talking about the margin. Okay, sir. Now I have learned how to give margin in a bootstrap. How will you give the padding? Same concept, just instead of margin you need to provide p, padding. Same concept. If you are giving padding means here, see inside that it will take. I'm saving. See here, inside here, can able to see the box. It has taken 8 pixel. Can able to see, guys? It has taken 8 pixel. Now, same way, I want to give only starting left side I want to give means just give the p s ps and I'm giving 5. 5, see here I have given 5. See, it is there here only. Hello, there is a small gap. Now I have changed into 5. How it works here? If I saving, if I save, it has taken a width, large width it has taken. See here, padding is taken as a 48 pixel. Is that clear? This is how you need to provide. For the top and bottom, just you can able to give, guys. Top you have to give instead of p. Yeah, if you are giving pt means that is the top. If you are giving bottom means that is the padding bottom. If you are giving s means padding starting. If you are giving e means padding ending. Are you understanding? If you are giving px means right and left. If you are giving y means that is the top and bottom. It takes the top and bottom. Is that clear with this one? Guys, about the padding and margin, how to give in a bootstrap. Guys, are you following me? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? Okay. Okay, coming to the grid system. Now, in a one row, I want three columns. How to give? Just you have to give column 4, and a column 4. Now, I want like this, for example, see. In a one row, I'm creating one. This is the second row. First row we have completed. I want in a second row, I want 4 columns. I want 4 columns. 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. Like this I need, and between these everything I need a gap. How will you provide? So 4 means 3 into 4. If you are giving 3 column, 3 column, 3 column, 3 column means 12. It will take the 12. Is that clear? Are you understanding? See here, I'm giving 3. 3 into 3, 6. After that, sorry, 3 into 3, 6. After that, I'm giving 3. Now we have remaining 3 columns where we have a 3 columns. Now just save and run. How it works? If you're saving, see the output means, see it has taken 3, but see here, I'm changing it to, see till 3 column, 3 column 6, and 3 column 9, till we have a 3 column space we have. Like this you should not come means you can just give the, for the container, sorry, for the row, just give the justify content. You already know, right? If you are giving justify content, center means it takes exactly, see here, between this one starting and ending it takes the gap. Are you understanding? It takes the gap. If you are giving justify content, between, usually we won't write like this, but you should know. If you can also, you can like this, you can give. If you are giving between means it takes between every spaces, one column, and here also it takes the spaces. Here between you can able to give, but most of the time you should not use like that. Always you have to complete the columns. That is a good practice. H1, creating the class. So I'm creating this class only. So saving and running the program, you will get the four columns. ಇಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ? How to give. Now I'm giving for the screens. Like this you need to provide the columns. Now I'm going to give for an entire screens. How will you give? See here, column hyphen. If you are giving sm, means that is the small device hyphen 3. Like this you need to provide. For the extra, for the large means you need to provide column hyphen lg, means large, hyphen 3. Are you getting? After that, column hyphen for the medium screen hyphen, and you need to provide 3. After that you can able to customize. This one is for the one column you have given. That means for this only you have given. For entire thing you need to provide. If you inspect, see here, accordingly it will take. See, it has taken. If you are going for the mobile device, it will take accordingly. Okay, see here, it takes the 100% width. After that it is going to second column, second row it is taking. Like this you need to provide. After that you need to provide column hyphen. If you want a small device means just you need to provide small hyphen, and for the large means like this you need to provide for the every tags. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದಂತ? ಸಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಸ್ಲೋ ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್, ಯು ಲೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಬಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ code, guys. Later you will get to know how to write the how how it is coming large screen. md means how it is breaking the point. Like this you will get to know. Before that, just understand how the grid system working and how to write the codes. For example, small means how to write, columns means large means how to write, everything just understand where to write. First you need to create the container. After that you need to create row. After that you need to create the element for which one you need to give. This much just understand. Now we are going to do one small project. That time, at that time you will get to know how it is working. See, we will create one. For example, this which project, this one. Okay, shall we do this project, guys? Using the grid system only we will create. So just understand. First they have given one card. How you have used the image. For example, you need to see in login only. They will divide as a two parts. This first part they will give the one like image they will give. After that it will come the one login page. How it is coming? For example, see here we will discuss one login page. We will find it. See here, the starting itself they have given. See here, welcome to website. After that here it is coming one user login. How they have done? Just they have divided as a two columns. Here they have given, I think they have given 8 columns they have used, and here they have used the 4 columns. Are you understanding? They have used the 4 columns. Here they have directly used the 6 columns. They have given the spaces. If you see another image, for example, um, See here, this one, this login page. See this login. See, they have used here also. They have used two columns. They have divided as a two columns. Here, hello is a one column. Welcome back is a one column. They have divided as a like a six and a six. Are you understanding? Like this, you need to divide. If you want to create a login page like this, you need to create. You can able to create a divide a 12 columns also. You can able to divide. Are you understanding? So now we will divide one column and we will discuss. We will create one login page. So I'm going to, guys, are you understanding? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಗೇನ್. I hope you're understanding. First, everyone create a one folder. I'm going to create a one folder. So inside that, I'm going to on drive. Bootstrap. And I'm creating one folder login page. Login page. So inside that, I'm using the CMD. Code space dot. If you're giving one small login page, we will create by using the grid system. Okay. Okay. So I'm set up. I'm creating one HTML page. So index dot HTML. Just I'll create. Okay, I'm creating one boilerplate hyphen. It's lagging. Okay, here I'm creating the one login page. Again, I want to bootstrap. You need to include the bootstrap. What I'm doing, I'm pasting the link, copy and pasting in my heading tag. After that, script also I'm pasting. Now, first step, you need to create one container. Dot container. Here, first you need to create one row. Dot row you need to create. After that, see here, see the output. It's lagging. Okay, like this we need to create. See, first we will create a one card. Are you getting? First we will create one card. How it is working? It's taking too much. So first we will card same div card. We will create inside that we will create one h2 tag login.